Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a manual air pump just like this right here and this right here. This will be a super easy tutorial for using an air inflator just like these. Let's get right into the video. There are two types of manual air pumps that you can find. This one right here, which you operate by hand, and it's a little bit smaller, pumps a little bit less air. It's mainly used for inflating sports balls and stuff like that. And then this one right here, which is a much larger scale in which you have to step on and pump with your hands, which can be used to inflate all different sorts of things and has this attachment piece right here that you can attach various attachments to. So we're gonna go over this one first because it's the easiest one. You're gonna get the thing that you want to inflate, and this one needs to be attached to something like this, a little hole like that. You're gonna take this little air pumping pin that you see at the end right over there, and you're going to insert it in the hole just like that of the sports ball. Once it's inserted in the hole, you're just going to go ahead and pump the air into it. And right now I'm inflating this ball with air. It was really dull before, and now that I do this, you can see that it's actually quite bouncy, which is good because I've basically, and then you can remove it like that, I've pumped it up with air. This was really dull before, and now it's nice and pumped up. So that's how to use that one right there. Now for this one, it's just a little bit more complicated, but it does give you more options, okay? So for this one right here, you can see that it folds up like that, but if you take these out, what you can do is you can then step on them. So they're designed to just get your feet on them like that. And then at this end right here, you can actually attach various attachments to it like this. So you can use it like this to just pump up a bike tire, because you can attach this to the stem of a bike tire, or you can put various attachments on it and you can lock it and unlock it really easily just like that with the attachments on it. And you can also do this to lock it and unlock it from the stem of the bike tire. But once you have it attached to the thing that you want to inflate, all that you want to do is keep your feet on it, and then you want to raise this up and then push it down like that. Raise it up, push it down like that. That's what it's going to look like, just like that. Okay? Now, the awesome thing, and I'll bring it a little bit closer so you get a better view, just like this. You can hear the air coming out of it, but the good thing is that in a real situation, the air would be going into whatever you want to inflate. So right now, the air is just kind of going to the atmosphere. But if this was attached to a bike tire, I would be inflating the bike tire. If it had the attachment which allowed me to attach it to a volleyball, just like I did before, I would be inflating the volleyball. But that's it. They're really easy to use, and I just wanted to show you exactly how to use them in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.